Welcome to my cooking channel. Let's cook with Momo. Today we will stir-fry mala potatoes. This mala potatoes is delicious and super easy. Let's start cooking. Slice peeled potatoes. Fry potato slices. Add chopped garlic. Add 1 tablespoon Haidalao mala sauce, 1 teaspoon light soy sauce, and stir fry. Mala potatoes is ready. Done within 5 minutes. Potatoes is delicious. Give it a try. You will fall in with this potatoes. Do follow my next new recipes on Friday to Sunday, 3 times a week, yeah. Weekly recipes will be available on Monday, containing videos of previous week too. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.